Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create milestones in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, you can continue using a Google account, your Microsoft account, your Apple, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Creating milestones in Smartsheet can serve important purposes, enhancing project management and facilitating efficient collaboration. Because number one, milestones provide visual markers on project timelines, making it easy to see progress at a glance. Of course, they help team members understand where the project stands and what key achievements have been reached. Because milestone represents significant achievements or deliverables within a project. I'm using milestone because it allows someone like me, a project manager, and to my team members to track together the progress toward these important goals and ensure that we are completing it on time. Now, for you to be able to do that, all you have to do is just go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Home. Now, from here, you can simply create a new sheet. You can browse template right here. But for now, let's create new. Obviously, we need to create something like this one. And once you've done that, now you should rename this column right here. And for you to be able to do that, you can double click on it. Maybe let's put something like that. And for this one is something like this one. And this one maybe something like status, right? Well, let's do that for now. Let's delete this unnecessary columns that we don't need for now. Okay, so let's extend this a little bit. Now we can rename it maybe like but of course you can do anything that you like. Now, basically, when you create a milestone, the default view here in the Smartsheet is the grid view, right? All you have to do is click on any columns right here and click on the Gantt view, right? What will happen is it needs to have at least 2 date columns to display already. Let's do that. Now, after doing that, the next step that you are going to do is just go to any part of these sheet right here and click on this specific column and click on the edit project settings, right? Now, once you are in the project settings, all you have to do is put a date range display here, the end date column. Obviously, you need to put the dependencies enabled, and it's up to you for the rest of the information that you wanted to put in here. Okay, and that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.